올라올만해? 올라올만해? 오, 다행이네. 이 바이크 안 타본 지 오래돼서 어떤 기분인지 기억이 안 나.
Alright, today I am riding around the city to test out the new suspension, and the best way to do that in the city is to ride the stairs. So I'm looking for some steep, very steep stairs to ride down and as well as to ride up. So we'll see what we find. Not surprisingly, the suspension worked like butter. You can see in the video how hard the fork is working. To be honest, it wasn't that hard. The only part was the stairs are so steep, I kept on hitting the skid plate on the stairs. But luckily I'm not running the stock skid plate, so it was fine. If I still had the stock skid plate, it would have been destroyed. Those things are like tin cans. And here's me trying to be like Graham Jarvis, but failing many times. And this is me climbing upstairs with the Surron, or trying to. It was harder than I thought.
죽을 뻔했어. 뭐야, 왜 안 올라와? 한 번 더. 실력 부족. 간격이 너무 커. 계단 간격이 너무 큰가? 아. 뭐야? 어떡해, 안돼. 오, 대박이야. 올라갔어.
성공.
올라갔어.
성공. 근데 좀 아슬아슬했다. This was a pretty fun test for my new suspension, but I gotta say, after this test, my tire was so torn apart. This stock tire does not like concrete, cement, or asphalt. I can't wait to try this suspension in the dirt, and please stick around for more videos on that.